Discovery Education. You should all be logged in using your Google account. You should see a sea turtle at the very top with your name. And right now, I am under Jordan's name so that we can see a student view of what it looks like. So before I have you do it, I want you to watch me. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All right, I'm going to go over here to the side. And over here on the side, you'll see a couple of different things. Today, we're going to work with My Content. Can you repeat that?
My Content.
My Content. So we're going to go under that folder. We're going to create a folder today. What have we been learning about in science? Everybody.
Insects.
Insects, but what's bigger than that?
Animals.
So today we're going to make a folder and we're going to call it Animals. All right? And you're going to make the same folder in just a minute, but not yet. I want you to watch me do it first. So what we're going to do is go to the corner here. It says Add Folder. I want you to say that.
Add folder.
We're going to call our folder Animals. And then we're going to hit Create. All right, so now you have a brand new folder, and it's called Animals. But now we need something to put in that folder, okay? Up at the very top, you will see a search box. Say search box.
Search box.
So, top of your box, we're going to type in an animal that we learned about today. You guys have already said it. What was it?
Insects.
Okay, hands free. Make sure that you are not on your computer. All right, we're going to type in insects, and let's see what pops up. I'm going to pop it. I'm just going to hit enter. You see an insect even at the top right there? Yeah? Okay. So what we're going to do, what grade are we in?
Second.
You will see some buttons right here. Has K through 2, 3 through 5, 6 through 8, 9 through 12. Raise your hand if you think you can tell me what box we're going to click. Andre.
K through 2.
K through 2 because we are in second grade. Now there will be times where I might say you can click K through 2 or 3 through 5, but today we're just going to do K through 2. Now, you will see a lot of things that come up. A lot of different things that come up. Today what I want you to do is I want you to find an image. An image is another way to say a what?
A
picture. A picture. We are just going to search for pictures today. So under K through 2, we're going to hit images. And I want you to look, I'm going to give you an opportunity to look at some pictures of some insects, some cool ones that you might want to learn more about. We're going to put them in that animal folder that we just created today. So for today, I'm going to choose, I think I'm going to do, let's do a close-up of an insect on a leaf. I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to go up to the corner right here. Can you see this dot, dot, dot?
Yes.
I'm going to click on that. And then two things are going to pop up. It says share and add to my content. I want you to say add to my content.
Add to my content.
What pops up? Animal folder. So I need to make sure that I am in that folder, animals. Now I'm going to hit
Add.
So now it is in my folder so that when I go to build a board later on that you're going to learn all about, it'll be there to help build. All right. I'm going to let you try those steps now. So I want you to go ahead and go to My Content. I want you to hit Add a Folder in the right corner. I want you to label your folder Animal. Alright friends, so last week we added to our Discovery Education My Content file. So today, can you take a good guess on what we're going to do? Erin.
Maybe another folder and then with the other folder.
Good thinking, but we're actually going to build something today that we talked a little bit about. Jordan.
Build a board.
We're going to build a board today with all of that information. So we've been working on animals. So you were able to pick an animal classification, okay, of your choice. And we added 2 videos and 3 photos. Can you remind me, what was the other thing that we added to our folder, Eli Green?
What we added is the habitat that they live in.
The habitat that they live in. And so we are going to take all of that information and to put it onto a cool board that looks kind of like a web page. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. So today, on yours, you have all of this up already, but I wanted to bring you down to the carpet and kind of show you, and I have a page that I will have up as you work on your board today. So, when you come over, you're going to hover over. Can you guess what you're going to click on first? Cadence. Not my content. Think about what you're doing. Andre. Board builder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Okay? And you will have this page that pops up. All right? You're going to go ahead and click the blank one because I don't want you to worry about any of these because you're going to start from a brand new board builder. So you're going to hit that plus. And then this pops up. Okay? It has a title, and then you'll see description. We're not going to worry about description, but I do want you to make a title, and we're going to make it really simple. Are you ready? Really simple. BB. What do you think that stands for? Board
builder.
So smart. Continue. All right. And then this pops up. So you have your file where you have your mammals here or whatever classification you chose, and you're just going to hit save. Just hit save. Okay. So now it is saved into a new folder in your content. Then your board builder will pop up. And that's where the magic happens. Are you so excited? All right, drum roll. All right, stop. I want you to look at these tools right here. Okay? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. For each thing, they mean different things. The first thing, can you read that for me? Theme. When we click on theme, it has lots of different kinds of things that might happen. You can click on these different kinds, and it changes what? The background, right? So, if you would like to go ahead and have your background like that, if you find one that you like, you can do that. Or, you can go back. Do you see this arrow right here? Okay, go back, and then something else comes up, okay? If you come down here, we have add items. We're not ready to add items yet. Text, we're not ready to add that yet. Foreground, that's when you can change the color. And foreground is this smaller background right here. So you can change your foreground, okay? Say I'm happy with that. I can go back and change my background. So I may want to change it to, let's see here. I may want to do that, okay? So I'm going to let you play around with that. You can experiment with that. Once I have chosen this, this is where you add your items. Now, when you click add items, you see how I did that? Okay, if you want to get back, you push the arrow. Headline. What do you think that stands for? It's the, heard it? Title, that's right. If you click headline, that's your title. And when you click on that, you can actually change the background to your title. Lots of different options, okay? What do you think your title is going to be? Eli Dunham?
Mammals.
Whatever your classification that you chose, that's right. So you're going to type that in there, all right? I'm going to go back because we'll just put mammals for now. All right? I'm going to go back again. And then this is, when you click add items again, you're going to hit media. And when you hit media, a box comes up. You see that? It has search, and what is the second thing?
My content.
My content, which is where all of the stuff that you've worked so hard to put in, your folder is there. Do you see that? You can ignore this. These are my examples. So you're going to click your folder, okay? And this one is Jordan, so I'm in Jordan's. And she's going to click, she's going to eventually add all these things to her board. I'm just going to click the first thing and then choose. And what happened? It added her photo. And she can actually move it around to make her board really cool. Okay? So, if I go back to media, my content, mammals, I'm going to add the second thing. Choose. What happens?
Pops up.
She can arrange it any way she likes. Now, I'm going to let you guys play around with it. And I'm going to show you my board builder that I built. But who can tell me to review? How do you get your content onto your board? Madison.
If you hit the add, and if you hit media.
Perfect. And then always hit my content. Now, I'm going to go back. Last thing I want to show you before I send you off. Text. that means, let's see, that means you can change how your words are, okay? So you can change what color they are, all kinds of things. Text box is where you can type your words, all right? So I can type. This is where I might put my animal characteristics that are one of the things you're gonna put on there. Okay, all of that stuff. I'm gonna let you kind of play around with that, but I do want to show you the board that I have built, so you'll kind of have an idea of what your board should look like. This is the one that I built. All right, so this is the one that I built. I have my title. I have my animal characteristics that you're going to get from your animal
Journal.
Your book, yep. And I have all my pictures and my videos, all of that. My habitat, I have one sentence about a habitat where mammals live. Okay, so this is an example. And what I've done for you also, before I send you off, this is kind of a cheat sheet. I have everything that we just learned about and what they mean. Okay, so if you forget what themes are, what add items, this is a cheat sheet for that. On your board, you must have all of these things. Okay? And then I have common words that you might need to know to spell as you're making your board. I can add to this list also. Thumbs up if you understand. I'm going to see how quietly you can now go and get started on your board builder.